Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Lola's recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how to make coconut coated peanuts or coconut peanut burger. This is very nice. It is so good. You can make this at the comfort of your home if you love this snack. Please, if you are new to this channel, you're most welcome. My name is Lola. Please do not forget to subscribe to support this channel, and also please join this channel membership to support this channel. All right, guys, let's get started. So in this train, I have my peanuts. I already blanched these peanuts off camera to save the time. And if you want to know how to make peanuts, if you want to know how to blanch your peanuts, please, I have a peanuts recipe. I have Nigeria peanut burger recipe, which I blanched the peanuts in the video. You can check it out. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Okay, so I will put all the ingredients that I'm using in this video in the description so that you can check it out. All right, guys, so I'm using 4 cups of peanuts. You need to take out the unwanted one from the peanuts and remove the broken ones as well from the peanuts. And I'm using 2 cups of purpose flour. I'm using 1 cup of coconut powder, nutmeg. I will be using 4 tablespoons of sugar, vanilla extract. I'm using a pinch of salt and also half teaspoon of baking powder. So right now I will be mixing the liquid ingredient, which is the coconut milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. Next, I will mix the dried ingredient, which is the flour, nutmeg, pinch of salt, and baking powder, and set aside. Here are the peanuts. I'm using 3 cups of peanuts. I've blanched and dried this peanut under the sun. It is they are very dry. Okay, so right now I will start by adding the wet ingredient to the peanut, which is the coconut milk, sugar, and the vanilla extract that I've mixed together. I will carefully mix this together. You can use spoon or you can just move the bowl around, okay, just in a circular motion. Just shake it around to make sure that the peanuts are well covered with the liquid ingredient. Next, I will sprinkle some of the coconut flour first, and I'm going to mix this very well to make sure they are well coated with the coconut flour. Next, I will add flour. This is all-purpose flour. I will keep repeating the same process until I finish all the ingredients that I'm using. Once I add the coconut milk mixture, next I will add coconut flour. After coconut flour, I will add the all-purpose flour as well. Like I'm using about 2 tablespoons at once or 3 tablespoons at once. Okay, I will repeat the same process until all the peanuts are well coated. For this recipe, this is coconut coated peanut, so there's no need for egg. So if you are making normal coated peanuts, you can use egg. You can also use any liquid milk of your choice or water. All you need to do is to dissolve whatever liquid that you are using with sugar and any flavor of your choice, and just make this recipe. It is very easy. I enjoy making this recipe. It is so much fun to make. I love making it. So at this stage, I will separate any peanuts that are stick together. This can be very sticky, so you have to separate this as you are doing this. And I will be doing this for about 6 to 8 times until all these peanuts are well coated. Please don't forget to check the description for the peanut burger that made about 7 months ago. You can check the description so that you can click on that to check to see how to make this from uh, beginning to the end if you are making the plain one without coconut flavor. So at this stage, I finished coating all the peanut. I'm going to sift this coated peanut right now to get rid of the excess flour. You don't want to fry this with the peanuts. So that is it. Now I have my oil on the fire. At this stage, I've heated up the oil, and I will throw some peanuts into the oil to check the temperature of the oil. So the oil is just perfect, and now I will start by adding the coated peanuts into the oil, and I will be frying this on medium heat. Please, when you are frying this, do not fry on high heat if you don't want your peanut to get burnt quick. And also, if you are frying this, don't add too much of it into the oil so that you don't over cloud the oil, and your peanut will come out very well if you follow this uh, method and this step that I used to prepare this snack. At this stage, they are golden brown. I'm going to take them out of the oil and repeat the same process with the remaining coated peanuts. I will be frying this for about 3 times until they are all well fried. It is very easy to fry. All you need is to keep stirring the peanuts. Do not leave the peanuts inside the oil. You just keep stirring them. Alright guys, I finished frying all the coated peanuts. I'm going to allow this to cool down completely before I will store them in a airtight container and keep in a cool and dry place in the kitchen. If you've watched this video to this extent, thank you so much. Please do not forget to like, share and leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe, and also please join my membership to support this channel. Thank you so much for your time, and God bless you all. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Please stay blessed and stay safe.